Welcome back. Final video for the Chapter 4 test review. Remember, go back, rewatch the videos. We want to make sure we understand all parts. So don't hesitate to go back, rewatch, so you understand each problem, how to solve each problem. And again, if you need more examples or want me to go over something, please raise your hand. Okay, I want you to do the best you can on your test. All right, we're on page 198, like I said, and let's get started on number 20. Jim needs to divide 750 coupon books equally among 9 stores. In which place is the first digit of the quotient? So again, this is like that problem we had before where we're just answering ones, tens, hundreds, thousands place. Well, we do need to set the problem up to figure that out. So I'm going to do 750 divided by 9. And I'm going to ask myself, does 9 go into 7? No, 9 is bigger than 7. But 9 will go into 75. So since 9 goes into 75, the first number of my answer is going to go right here, which would be in which place, if we're breaking it up by place value. Okay. So then you just circle which one it is. If this is in the ones place, you circle ones. If this is the tens place, you circle tens. If this is the hundreds place, circle hundreds. If this is the thousands place, you circle thousands. All right, number 21. Ursula bought 9 dozen rolls of first aid tape for the health office. The rolls were divided equally into 4 boxes. How many rolls are in each box? So 9 dozen rolls. This is the tricky part. A dozen is 12. So we have to do 9 times 12, which is 108. And then divide that by 4. Okay, so can 4 go into 1? No. Can 4 go into 10? Yes, it goes in twice. And just so you know, that is the tens place. So the first digit of my quotient goes in the tens place for this problem, which may help you on problem 20 if you weren't sure. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract, and yes, that is an 8. 2, bring down the 8. And then I do 4 into 28. And 4 into 28 goes, let's see, well, let's count by our 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 24, 28, 6 times. And 6 times 4 is 28. I'm going to finish it over here, so that would be 28 minus 28, no remainder. So my quotient, 26 rolls. So how many rolls are in each box? 26 rolls in each box. Oh, I'm sorry. Goofed up big time, didn't I? Just thinking about this. Yeah, 7. Ugh, Mr. Music. Go back and ignore that part of the video. Oh my goodness. So, good thing I double checked myself. All right. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. That would be 7 4s to get to 28. I apologize. So let me fix it over here. Now, does everybody make mistakes? Absolutely. But we always, that's why it's important to check our answers, right? So let's check this one and fix it now. Where's my mouse? Okay, there it is. This is supposed to be 27. So I can check my answer. 26 was what I originally got, times 4. Now I check my multiplication here. I get 24. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. 104, that does not match. So I realize, oh, I need 1 more 4, which would make it, instead of 26 4s, it would be 27 4s. So I apologize. 27 rolls. Again, another example. So important to check our work, check our answers. All right, number 22. There are 112 seats in the school auditorium. There are 7 seats in each row. There are 70 people seated, filling up full rows of seats. How many rows are empty? How many rows? Not how many seats, how many rows are empty. So there are 7 seats in each row, 70 people seated, filling up full rows. So that's 10 rows, right? 70. So we had 112 seats. We've already used 70 of them. This is supposed to be a 1. These are both 1s. 112. We've used 70 of them. They showed us 70 in this problem. Okay. So let's see how many seats are left first. That's the first step we need to do. Just see how many seats are left. 70 seats have been filled. So we subtract. Well, 30 plus 70 would give me 100, and then just add 12 more to that would be 42. So there's 42 seats left. Now I can divide that by how many seats are in each row to see how many rows are empty. So 42 seats are empty, but I need to divide that by 7 seats per row, and I get 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Subtract gives me 0, so no remainder, so 6 rows. Okay. Again, on the test tomorrow, there'll be different numbers, but you're going to be using those same steps. Okay, you're going to need to subtract how many are already seated, and then you're going to need to do division. So there's going to be 2 steps. On number 22 on the test, there's going to be 2 steps. Okay, the problems are almost identical to the test. It's just different numbers. But the way you solve them is the same. All right, good luck on your test, and thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.